it's Kendall, and I will be doing a review on the Laguna Blue plush. On the side of her box, it has Laguna. Back, it has her plushie and her actual character. And it says, scary cute. And on the bottom, there's other plushies, and it says, collect them all. Of her box, it has all the characters. So, Laguna is out of her box, and she looks super cute. She looks even cuter than she did in the box. I loved her little side ponytail and her makeup. How it looks all stitched. And her little bluish green freckles. And her necklace of the seahorse. And all her design on her shirt. And the design on her shorts. And I loved how her shoes were like an inch. And she had her fin still. And I think she looked exactly like the original. But that's just my opinion. She also has a little flower on her hair. And on the back, she has the fin design, or the scales, her hoodie, and the little tag that no one ever reads, and hoodie. So that was the end of this one.
Most hip and horrific, sinister style mystery.